What's up guys? So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and for this one I got the creators combo. Let's see what's inside the box. Everything comes inside this nice pouch where you have all the accessories included inside. So you get the protective case, and inside the protective case you also have where you can put the wide angle lens and a black promise filter or any other filter you might have that you bet, but the black promise filter does not come with the camera. Then you have the new upgraded DJI Mic 2. Based on what DJI said, it gives you internal 32 bits of audio recording. And also this one automatically pairs with the camera, so now you don't need to have a receiver. So I think the receiver is built into the camera. The mini tripod, the additional battery. With the camera itself you get 166 minutes of record time. With the extended battery you get an additional 100 minutes of battery life. That's way more a whole day of shooting. You also get the wide angle lens, the extender. This is also an additional mount, so just you could put this here, or if you don't want the extra battery but you want extra grip, you could also put this here. Once you put this here, you can now mount this to a tripod. USB-C cable, strap, and a dead cap. So all this comes with the creative combo, and once you put it on, it comes on. You put it off, it goes off. So that's my unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. See you next video. Peace.